Dodge van. See where all that oil's coming from? That's a whole van. So we got this van for $200 because I had jokingly told the owner of the van while we were helping him do a water pump that when it finally died to let me know because I want the transmission out of it. Well, it died.
Is it going to light up the fire?
We have a fire extinguisher somewhere.
That's not charged.
What about the marine one? Did we use the marine one for something?
Let's talk about the fire.
That is the marine one. Well, I guess we'll just have to pray it don't. God is on our side. But yeah, we're definitely just taking the transmission. We can get heads off something else. All right.
Oh, shit. Yes.
Cool.
Might not be a good idea to get the angle grinder.
Yeah, no angle grinder today.
Maybe not. Not unless you want to set your whole farm on fire.
I decided right out. That's like $400 gas.
Damn.
We'll start by. Did you put this in park?
Maybe I did.
It's sure in park.
Maybe I did.
You don't have to film the entire thing, just film when I tell you to.
I'm filming.
Oh, you're gonna use up a lot of my storage. This is how much I can move just the one tire without the other tire moving. The whole pitman arm assembly is shot. Or trailing arm or whatever the hell that is, I don't know. But it's shot. Hey, Hunter. Check this out. Look at this trailing arm or whatever the hell that is.
That's an inch
Yeah, he was driving it like that. Drive shaft and U joints ain't bad.
Careful flopping it down over there.
Alright, so we got what we came for. This isn't a 46 RH like I thought it was. According to my buddy John Wilburn, it's a 46 RE. But he told me to go ahead and pull it because it'll work for my purposes if I do a valve body swap, and the trans he's gone through anyway, the fluid's pretty dark. So we're going to pull the converter if it's not too much of a pain. And then we're going to flip this thing back on its wheels and send her off to the scrapyard. And we're just going to set it on the ground in front of the garage for now because I don't want to let all the heat, all the AC out. Don't film my farmer's tan.
All right, it's Monday morning. We filled this thing all the way up to its lid with scrap metal. I'm gonna go haul her into the scrap yard before work this morning, and we'll see what we get. Hopefully I make my money back on it.
So, we took it to scrap, and it brought $343 of scrap. So I paid $200 for the van. I pulled the 46 RE out of it and scrapped it for $343. So I made 143 bucks. Seems pretty good to me. That's the end of this one. See you next time.